How to create t-shirt design with AI. Let's get started. To create our designs, we'll use two free AI tools, ChatGPT and Ideogram AI. First, open ChatGPT. Here, ask ChatGPT to generate creative t-shirt quote ideas or design concepts based on any niche you like, such as fitness, gaming, motivation, pets, or funny quotes. Once ChatGPT gives you several ideas, choose the one you like the most. Now, copy that idea. Next, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. Paste your idea into the prompt box and describe the type of t-shirt design you want. Make sure to include the exact text you want to appear on the design. Set the image count to 4 so Ideogram generates multiple design variations in a single click. This gives you more options to choose from. Next, select the 1:1 aspect ratio, which works best for most t-shirt designs. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds while Ideogram creates your t-shirt designs. Take a look at all the generated designs and choose your favorite one. If none of the designs look exactly the way you want, don't worry, click the Remix button on your favorite design. Now, type the changes you'd like to make in the prompt box. For example, you can change the colors, font style, graphics, layout, or add and remove design elements. Once you've updated the prompt, click the Generate button again. Ideogram will create a new version of your design based on your changes. Repeat this process until you're completely satisfied with the final t-shirt design. Once you're happy with the final design, click the Download button to save it in high quality. You can then use your design for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, stickers, or upload it to print-on-demand platforms to start selling your products online. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional AI t-shirt design in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.